People also ask, what is the engine of a car? Well, let us look. The engine consists of a fixed cylinder and a moving piston. The expanding combustion gases push the piston, which in turn rotates the crankshaft. Ultimately, through a system of gears in the powertrain, this motion drives the vehicle's wheels.
Gasoline engine is a type of internal combustion engine that works by mixing air and fuel, igniting the mixture, and using the resulting expansion to power the engine
through 4 cycles. So let us look those cycles.
1. Intake. The intake valve opens and air and fuel are drawn into the cylinder. 2. Compression. The intake valve closes and the piston compresses the air and fuel mixture. 3. Combustion. A spark plug ignites the air and fuel mixture, causing it to explode. The resulting expansion of the hot gases pushes the piston down. 4. Exhaust. When the piston reaches bottom dead center, the exhaust valves open and the combustion gases are expelled from the engine.
The appropriate gasoline fuel mixture for burning accurately is processed through carburetor. Carburetor's job is to mix air and fuel in the correct ratio for an engine to burn efficiently. It works by using Bernoulli's principle, which states that as the velocity of a fluid increases, the pressure decreases. Here's how a carburetor works. Air intake. Air enters the carburetor, usually through an air filter. Venturi effect. The carburetor's bore, or venturi, speeds up the air's velocity, creating a vacuum. Fuel intake. The vacuum pulls fuel from a float chamber or reservoir into the jet. Fuel-air mixture. The fuel and air mix in the jet and flow into the cylinder. The duration of air intake for a carburetor depends on the engine speed, the quality of the fuel, and the temperature of the air and fuel. The carburetor must move the fuel mixture to the cylinder as quickly as possible to prevent it from igniting or condensing in the intake manifold. Ignition. The spark plug fires, igniting the fuel-air mixture and pushing the piston. A 4-stroke engine completes a power cycle every 2 crankshaft revolutions, or 720 degrees. This is because the piston makes 2 complete passes through the cylinder to complete 1 operating cycle. The 4 strokes of a 4-stroke engine are intake stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, and exhaust stroke. The duration of each stroke varies. Power stroke. The power stroke typically lasts about 140 degrees of crankshaft rotation. Exhaust stroke. The exhaust stroke typically lasts between 230 degrees and 240 degrees of crankshaft rotation. The number of cylinders in an engine determines how many power strokes occur within the 720 degrees of crankshaft rotation. For example, a 4-cylinder engine will have 1 power stroke for every 180 degrees of crankshaft rotation. 4-stroke engines are the most common type of small engine and are found in most automotive engines. They are generally more durable than 2-stroke engines, but they are not as powerful. This cycle of engine process repeats throughout the presence of correct fuel mixture and ignition spark. Thank you for watching and listening. If you liked the video, please share it to your friends and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this to come.